Morning, all. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
You're audible, sir.
So yesterday we were discussing about work per energy, and I think we are doing some numericals, no? We finished this work energy theorem
Yes,
also, I
sir.
think.
Yes, sir. We finished work energy theorem.
See here, suppose work done is positive. You know that change in kinetic energy, no?
Yes, sir. Changing energy.
Now work done is positive. Then delta K is greater than 0. What does this mean? Final.
Final velocity is greater than zero. K final greater than Ki.
Great.
Uh,
That means the
and
kinetic
here,
energy.
it's,
Okay. You may have work done negative. Follow this.
Yes, sir.
follow this, sir.
See, is this applicable in non-inertial frames?
No, sir.
Why?
Because in non-inertial frame it differs now, sir. Kinetic energy.
Why? How it will differ? Can you prove that? Okay, that means when you are saying work done by all forces, that means you have done by all forces means non-conservative, conservative,
External,
pseudo, any other force.
external, internal.
Understood this? So remember that
Understood, sir.
it is applicable even in which frame? Non-inertial frame.
All emotion.
Followed this?
Yes, sir. Follow.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute.
1 minute. Architect, sir.
So one doubt,
Tell.
sir. If Kf greater than Ki means then velocity finally greater than velocity initial. Can we tell like that?
Hmm. Kf is greater than K, that's obviously, no? K is increasing or decreasing. What is the meaning? K is decreasing and mass won't change. No? What will change? Only speed only. No?
Clear, sir.
Now, for example, let us establish what we studied now that is applicable for non-inertial frames or not. Let us see. Suppose there is an acceleration A is a system. Okay, there is no do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
So now with respect to ground, see there is a person here, another person O2. Agreed. Now you can see who is he?
Yes, sir.
What is the acceleration of small m?
Integration. A.
Okay, this is moving along with the block, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Clear?
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
So suppose it travels a displacement, that means it is accelerating. Okay, let us see. Now for him, why does this block going? As you know that this is the frictional force, no? Because it's
Yes.
accelerating this side, there should be the frictional force. So this is the normal reaction. Any other forces? Here, what are the forces on that?
Frictional force and normal force.
This is zero. Frictional force into displacement equals change in kinetic energy. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Is it clear? Shall I turn the page?
One minute, sir.
Sir,
Hmm?
M will not cancel now, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, okay, sir. Clear, clear, clear.
So this is the velocity relative to the ground. Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir, Mio will not come in friction.
Hmm?
Mio.
F is equal to ma, no? I'm getting that only. Man.
Yes, yes.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir. Agree.
Completed.
Completed, sir.
Now let us analyze this with respect to this fellow. With respect to O2. Who is O2?
Yeah,
Non-inertial
non
observer.
Hmm.
non-inertial observer.
Okay. We can see which force will be there for this fellow.
Zero force.
Agreed. Now with respect to O2, the block should be at rest now.
Sir, at rest. Both have same acceleration.
This is A. So this is 0. Now let us see, are you getting this or not?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree. So, F into S into cos 0D.
Hmm.
So, so main X into cos 40 degree. No, sir. Okay. So,
Fs minus MAS.
Wait. Here you have so here I can say this is the equation, no? No, this is anyhow 0, no?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what we applied is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
If pseudo force is not considered, you will get different answer. If pseudo force is not there, what will happen? You will find that this body gains kinetic energy with respect to O2. That is not possible now. You are sitting beside your driver seat in a car. With respect to your driver, you are at rest now. Your velocity is not changing with respect. If velocity changes, definitely you won't be in that seat now. You'll be somewhere else now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are moving along with the driver means there is no displacement to you. Your coordinate with respect to the driver it remains same. That means displacement is same. That means velocity is same. Agreed or not? That means with respect to the driver you are not accelerating. Agreed? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, one doubt.
Tell.
What did you do in that? WF plus WMS, sir. That work done plus F of by friction
Huh?
and work done by MA, sir. I didn't understand that step.
What you didn't understand? Tell.
Oh, sir. In the next step, you wrote F minus MA into S naught, sir. That one I didn't understand, sir. That step.
Why? Hopeless fellow, that also you can't understand. This is
That is MA, not sir.
pseudo force. This is.
MS cos 180.
Together what you will have. If you
Yes,
sum
sir.
up what you will have.
Yes, sir. Got it. MA into F minus MA plus.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Last week you wrote circular motion properly, problems.
Sir, difficult, sir.
Hmm? Difficult, eh?
I felt it.
Pardon?
The little difficult, sir. I felt it. I felt
No, I gave some small problems, few problems, one or two.
it felt difficult, sir.
They gave the download option for the paper.
No, sir.
Sir.
They gave a.
No, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
So this is one of the powerful tools to solve many problems. That means the string comes like this. He says is the force. See, this is a variable force. We need work done by F. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Now the problem is for work done by variable force, first of all, we should know the force function, otherwise we cannot integrate now.
Yes, sir.
Actually, work done by variable force, how do you define?
Integral F.
Integral FDS.
Here, this function, force function must be known, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, here that force function is not there, no? Is it there?
Not there, sir.
So now, what are the forces you have here?
Mg tension.
Now, work done by all forces, you'll use that.
Yes, sir. Delta K.
Okay, tension. Now, let us calculate one by one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what is the work done by centripetal force? Tension is the centripetal force, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is that work done?
MV square by R. Yes, sir. MV square by R.
Work done by centripetal force. See over report. Go to your front pages. I gave. How you will forget, man? See?
Sorry, sir. Zero, sir. Zero.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Zero, no?
Zero. I gave in
Yes,
this
sir.
work for starting. I gave that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Verified.
Yes, sir.
Remember that work done. I gave the proof also.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why? Because
Displacement and force of
centripetal force is radial and displacement is tangential.
perpendicular. Yes, sir.
They agree till here.
Yes, sir. Agree. Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
Now, what else you are having? Work done by force, we don't know. Work done by mg. See here, this goes like this now.
Yes,
When
sir.
it goes like this is nothing. This is L. What is this?
L sin theta. L cos theta.
So this is Y, this is X now.
Uh,
Agreed.
yes, sir. We can consider.
mg is downward
So mg minus
dot. What is the displacement?
x. Sorry. L sin theta. I cap plus L
Is
cos
distance.
Y J cap.
theta. Yes, sir. Y.
What is that Y value?
Uh,
This whole thing is L now.
L minus L cos
L
theta.
minus L cos.
They agree till here.
Agree, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No doubts. Okay.
So this will be how much?
Minus
This
mg.
dot is 0 now.
Yes, sir.
Till here it followed.
Follows, sir. Follows.
Now what is the final kinetic? Initially it is at rest now.
Yes, sir. Initially at rest.
Finally also it is at rest now. Observe what is the initial position now. Delta K is Kf minus Ki is 0. Do you agree? So substitute this is 0, this Mg value is 0, this is 0, get F.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Mg into L minus alpha.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, తొందరగా అమ్మా, తొందరగా అమ్మ, అది ఉత్తరం అవుతుంది, అది ప్రాబ్లం ఏటవుతుంది. ఆహా, ప్రయత్నించు. కంప్లీటెడ్.
Completed, sir.
Finish, shall I do?
Yes, yes, sir.
See, if you take, this is not a continuous displacement you have to find, means it's very difficult. So friction force is path dependent. You cannot just join like this because the path is actual path is this, no?
Yes, sir.
So frictional force is changing its direction, no? No doubt. Mg is constant, but normal reaction and frictional force are changing direction, not? Normal
Yes.
reaction will be like this, like this. So here which two forces are variable?
Normal reaction and frictional force.
Force and the normal reaction.
Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Now normal force do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
That
Agree, sir.
means N and F are
Variable forces.
any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
So in that case, what you will do now? You will take a small elemental path ds. Okay, then it will be what?
Uh,
dh and dl. Do you agree with this?
Agreed.
Suppose this is theta. Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Do you agree with this? Now what is cos theta?
Uh, dx by dl. So, sir, dl by dl. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Similarly, dH equal to ds sin beta.
Till here you followed or not?
Okay, follow.
So we will say work done by friction during the small displacement. Suppose we need F. Okay,
dl.
backward ds will be forward cos 180. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Along tangent. Yes, sir.
Agreed or not?
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
How much you'll get this? Because this is what we get now, normal reaction.
Mg cos theta.
Any doubt in this? See?
So this
No, no.
normal
The
reaction.
displacement is this side, no?
This displacement clear, but that normal reaction is problem.
Till here you followed or not?
Followed, sir. Followed. Only that normal reaction, sir. Can you please explain that?
This is ds. Any doubt till here?
Yes, sir. This normal reaction,
Hmm.
it became mg cos theta.
Because normal reaction perpendicular component is how much? You take anything, any inclined plane, this will be mg sin theta now.
Yes, sir. This is downward mg cos theta.
This
Yes, sir. Not clear.
normal reaction now. Now
No,
this
sir.
is the motion of the body now.
Yes, sir. Motion of the body.
So friction will be in this direction now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I applied the same thing here.
Clear.
Any doubt till here?
No, no.
Now here minus mu mg. What is ds cos theta?
ds cos theta, dl.
This is nothing but what is integral of dl? L only na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood this? When the forces are variable, how to attack a problem? Hello.
Okay. Understood, sir.
Now other things you know I think. Work done by normal reaction will always be zero, na?
Zero, sir. Radial force. Yes, sir.
Then what else is there? mg.
Equal to zero.
See, to reach this point here, what are the displacement it should have? This is L, this is H, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello. This is the X displacement, Y displacement it should undergo, no?
Yes, sir. It should undergo.
So now you can apply work energy theorem, no?
Possible, sir.
All forces mean friction, normal reaction,
Force.
mg, final minus initial. You know this, you know this, you know this. Find out this.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Sir, 1 minute.
mg into mu s L plus h.
Turtle. Shall I do?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
So what is the final answer you got?
mg into mu s L plus mg L.
1 second. Now. Kinetic this is. Motion is there. No? Okay. Finished?
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir. So this
Tell.
kinetic energy is zero.
Pardon?
So final kinetic energy is zero, no, sir. How it became can be still can be explain once more, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, here we took this work done by all forces is equal to delta K. And in
Ah.
that we took final kinetic energy is zero, no, sir.
Finally zero.
So, okay, why, sir? Can you please explain once?
Okay, right, right.
Yes. Yeah.
At least I can say this is zero. Reason is one word is there slowly. The meaning of slowly always you forgot.
Sir, forgot, sir, please, sir.
Time is more now.
Why, sir?
Do you agree with this? So what is the acceleration one? Time is more. Sorry, slow means more time now.
Yes, sir. More,
Large. So when time is large, what is the acceleration?
10 speed, sir.
Zero.
0.
Therefore, change in velocity will be zero.
10
That
speed.
means V remains constant. Therefore, change in kinetic energy will be zero now.
Yes, sir. 0, 0, 0. Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Agreed, agreed. Clear, sir. Clear.
Any doubt?
Sir, no doubt, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn the page? Note on this. I
No.
told this in kinematics. You forgot, I think.
Yes, sir.
Wherever you come across slow, meaning is this.
Yes, sir. Understood, understood. Sir, completed, sir. Clear.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, this week you have this work for energy
Okay,
till
sir.
where we complete.
Yes, sir.
Velocity time graph. Any answer? Hmm. What? Any answer?
No, no, sir.
Hopeless fellows. Work
400.
done by all forces equals change in kinetic energy.
400.
What is the final one here?
20.
20. Sorry, sir. 0, 0.
Minus 400.
K is at
Equal to 0. Equal to 20. Half into mean to 20.
Vitsal, no? What is there in this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Got it, sir.
forgot, sir.
You return this.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir. Done,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, that is 6, sir. X is equal to.
Hmm?
X is equal to 6 now, sir.
B, B, B. B men.
Yes, sir.
Any idea?
Sir.
Sir, we can find the velocity by that kinetic equations, no, sir.
Kinematic equation, sir.
Yes, sir. Using that, we can find the velocity, no, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, we can find a delta V, no, sir.
Why
Delta.
directly you can take this, man? What is there immediately to strike? Work done by all forces, you're asking, na?
Yes, sir. Half.
Find the total work done.
Yes, sir. Half.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir.
So final,
Yes, sir.
now what is the final kinetic energy?
Half
Half
M.
M
m
into alpha
alpha
square
root
root B.
b, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Alpha
What
square.
is the initial kinetic energy? Half
0.
m
Alpha.
alpha whole square, 0. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Finished?
Sir, assignments on
Hmm.
work power energy.
You finished that circular motion assignments, huh?
Yes, sir, almost completed.
All.
Almost.
For Allen resonance, everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I'll post. Then why you people are not doing well in problems? Examination, why you are unable to do is a mystery for me. See, here you can see that the vertical force this is mg,
50 Newton.
it is raised by how much?
4 meter.
4 meters. So initial kinetic energy is zero, no?
Yes, sir. 0.
Now let us see work done by all forces equals
That's it.
what is the work done by F?
What? So total 80 minus 50 into 4. So
80,
minus 50.
or you can do like this also, you can do like what you are saying also can be done.
Yes, sir. Half into 5 into V square.
Get V. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Can I turn the
Mm. Complete. So doing so velocity.
completed?
Doing so.
The V is 6.9.
Pardon?
V is under root 48, sir.
Answer you are saying.
Yes, sir.
He is asking only final kinetic energy, nothing else. He is not asking velocity. Find the final kinetic energy.
120, sir.
Hmm. Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir. Agreed. Yes, course. Complete.
Will I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
See, what he says is there is a sphere. Try to understand the problem. This sphere has an motion of the sphere is this. It is translating like this. Follow this? Now a particle is there. You can see that with respect to sphere. Now when it is going like this in this direction, there will be pseudo force or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. There is acceleration.
and there is Mg. This is a normal reaction. Do you agree with this? Any other force is there?
So, friction is there, sir?
There is no friction. He says smooth.
Okay, sir. Okay. No friction. Okay. That was no solution.
Do you agree? Now, due to this pseudo force, what happens? The particle gradually slides here and say, suppose it reaches here. This is theta. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir. Yes.
So, here, now after this, any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
Now, after this, the simple thing is, see, this has come down like this. This is come down like this. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No,
Y
sir.
and
So now this is what actually this is r. What is this distance?
R cos theta.
R cos theta, r
Yes,
sin theta. So what is x? The displacement.
R sin theta.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is actually and what is y?
R minus R
R
sin.
minus r cos theta. Agreed. Now work done by mg plus work done by normal reaction, work done by pseudo force.
Is equal to
Change in kinetic energy, no?
yes, sir. Change the kinetic.
This is mg work done is how much?
Uh,
Zero.
Yes, sir. Tangential.
Because
Normal.
always displacement is this, na? Clear or not?
Clear, sir. Clear.
MA
Y I cap.
minus I dot C. What is the displacement?
Y
R
is
sin theta is left side. And this is R into 1 minus cos theta is which side? Minus
right.
J. Do you agree with this? Equals half m VR square. Initially at rest, no? Get
Yes.
VR. Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, no doubt, sir. Yes, clear.
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, little unclear, sir.
Screen ಕಾಣ್ತಿರೋದು. Is it clear?
Sir, screen is little unclear, sir.
Okay, at least manageable. Anyhow, this is the last one and time is over. Power has gone, that's why. Manageable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, manageable.
Tell the answer. Or I'll write the answer here.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Two GR 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta you should get. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, but 1 minute, sir.
Sir,
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, I am getting, sir, MA or sin theta, sir. Sir, I'm getting like that, sir.
sir, velocity will be 2gr under root 2gr sin theta, na, sir.
Noted on this? Note down? Noted down or not?
Yes, sir, noted,
Sir,
sir.
I am with, sir.
First note down, man. I'll turn the page and I'll clear your doubt. No space now to clear your doubt.
Noted, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Noted, sir.
Now it is clear, no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now. Now it will be clear.
No, sir. This
No,
little
sir.
unclear.
Unclear.
Now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What happened?
Now clear, sir.
Oh,
Clear only?
manageable.
Yes, sir. Now clear.
Okay. See here, look at this. See, this is a normal reaction, no?
Yes, sir. Normal day.
N is always perpendicular to what?
Displacement.
Work done by N is what? Zero.
0.
Zero.
But mg is not always, no?
Sir, not always.
Centripetal, na, sir.
Mg is not centripetal, man. Mg is changing, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
The mistake is that, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to consider? Work done by mg is in which direction?
G
Minus j dot r sin theta minus I cap plus r into 1 minus cos theta minus j cap. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Now you add this. So mistake that has crept in is this. This is not 0. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you will get the answer. Please check up. Do it carefully.
Yes, sir.
See, every mistake you do, don't get panic, man. Think. Because to err is human being. So, to prove that we are humans, so natural attribute, errors will come. Check why we are not getting that. Because a book, the author also verifies many times and does that. Don't think a single person will do the problem. He'll give it to many people, ask the cross checks with them. In spite of that, sometimes mistakes may come. First, we should see where we went wrong and all. So, I will try change the method again. Now, all are saying you are not getting the answer. I had a doubt. Again, I checked up where we went wrong. So, like that, if you don't get the answer, check where we went wrong and all. In spite of all the cross checkings, we are getting the same answer by different method. Means the given answer is wrong. That is how don't get worried about that.
Sir, answer is under root 2gr cos theta plus sin theta.
Hmm?
Answer is under root 2gr into cos theta plus sin theta.
This one.
Sir, got sir.
Got this?
Good, sir.
Hello, you got this or not?
Got sir.
Right then. We'll continue tomorrow, okay? Hello?
Okay, sir.
See, now I am beginning the class at 9:05, 9:10. So don't think that tomorrow I'll start little bit early. Slowly I try to bring it to a little bit 8:30 like that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because almost senior syllabus is coming to an end. Now I have to spend more time with you people only.
Yes, sir.
Right then.
Thank you, sir.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.